and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're looking at another product that I purchased from wish.com. It came the other day, so I thought I'd go through this one with you. So it came in this box, and here is the watch itself. It's ORIS, says automatic, which it does seem to be an automatic. I'm not 100% sure. The ticker's not going. Might need pushing in. There you go. So it's not an automatic, even though it says on there it's an automatic. But yeah, it's quite a nice watch. I like the design of this, and it has an outer bezel there. Put it on there. Turn. Very stiff, but I'm trying to do it one-handed. So anyway, you know the score with those tap tests. There's no movement at all, which is quite nice with this one. I'm loving the green display. On the back you have a screw on back there. Not 100% sure what that says. ORIS on there. Stainless steel, Swiss movement, 7707. This one cost me £35 from Wish. Quite a nice looking replica. Not so keen on the strap. The strap's obviously leather, and it is stamped with ORIS on there as well. And ORIS on there. So yeah, the movement's quite smooth. It's a Japanese movement. It's got a date down the bottom there as well, which is nice. There is face is quite nice. It's got like a nice effect to it, and it's a classic style watch. So let's try the illumination with this one and see what it's like in the dark. Okay, well, as you can see, it's quite bright in the light, in the dark. So you see on the outer bezel you've got like a illumination there. You've also got the second hand with a light, and also the hands as well. Try and get a more nicer focus on that. But yeah, it's quite nice. You should be able to see it in all sort of all lights, the dark as well. So yeah, there's the watch itself. So thanks for watching this video. Come back for more reviews. If you can see any replicas on Wish that you fancy knowing all about, then let us know in the comments, and I will aim to get some more in stock. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.